Wait. Don't move.
Sorry.
Okay, keep going. Stop.
Here?
Sure.
58, 59?
Wow.
Stop.
What is it?
22?
Wow.
23.
Nice.
Not bad.
37.
It's not bad.
Whoa. 37?
37? That's what Louis got too.
Alright.
Okay. 70.
No.
That's not gonna work. Wow. Was way
What
off.
was it? Okay. 29?
That was actually good though.
No, that wasn't bad.
So that's 2. That's 3.
Oh, that's what I should have done.
What'd you get?
Let's see. 6, 5.
It's pretty good.
I'm seeing some
It's pretty good. 31, I think. 30. Oh, 33?
33? 34.
Pretty good.
They're pretty good.
Alright.
60?
I don't want that.
7? Not bad.
Is that 2 inches? Oh wow, it's way off.
How many was it?
That's like 3.5 feet.
Alright.
63?
Damn it.
I think. Yeah.
It's like that.
Okay. It's gotta be pretty long.
What was it?
115.
Oh, 78.
Wow.
That's
That's
not bad.
Did you?
Alright.
68?
No! Do you even have chance? Alright, let me actually go for it. I'll go for 91.
Okay.
You should have just said it was 67.
Sorry.
I don't know if you're way off.
Are your eyes closed?
No. I'll go there.
Wait, what?
Your eyes are open. Oh, they're supposed to be closed?
You're supposed to not look.